All right. So one of the fastest way of making extra income from home is to be an affiliate marketer, right? So I have been promoting or recommending different products online for a long time, right? Because I am an affiliate marketer. I do it part time, maybe like 1 hour a day online, right? So what I just simply do, I recommend other companies' product and services to people online, and once they start buying or getting their hands on those services or products, then I make commissions. Let me just see if I can show you. Let's see. Let me. I will try and make it as fast as possible. So this is one of the products that I am promoting, right? And let me see if I can just click that and click on that and click that. All right, can you see how much I've already made with this particular product? This is 10,300. Oops, sorry. It happens, right? So that's $10,368. That's how much I have made promoting this particular product, right? And that's awesome. That's the power of affiliate marketing, right? You don't need to have any product of your own. You don't need to handle customer service. You literally, you don't do anything. You just recommend other companies' product and services to people online. All right. And how do I recommend this service? Right? I just copy and paste free ads on social media. So maybe on Facebook groups, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I just copy and paste images about the product on those platforms, and that attracts a lot of people to come and check out those products. And if it's something they want, then naturally they just get it. And once they start getting it, I start making commissions. And that's how I was able so far. Let me, I was able so far. Where is it? Sorry about that. So far, I was able to make up to $10,368, right? So simple thing. Now, but the best amount of money you could make always go down in value, right? So what you want to earn and what I am earning right now is Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is higher than dollars in value, right? In fact, I think it's higher than gold right now in value. So what I now decide to do is to earn Bitcoin, right? So I am promoting a product called a company called the GoE1ULife Bitcoin system. Now, this company has very powerful products. They have softwares. In fact, they are a software company, so they have website builder, funnel builders, software, email marketing system, and AI systems, right? So they have some of the best products that most people need right now to make money with, right? So now, if you are thinking, hey, this is a nice company with a lot of software, I want to promote their product, I want to recommend their product also. Now, the first thing you need to get is a Bitcoin wallet. So if you don't have a Bitcoin wallet, it can't work for you. Now, why do you need a Bitcoin wallet? So that you can be able to receive Bitcoin and send out Bitcoin also, right? Because this company only pays by Bitcoin, which is good because now, because they are paying by Bitcoin, you get your commission instantly, right? If you make the commission right now, you get it right now, you spend it right now if you want to, right? And because it's Bitcoin, anybody from any part of the world can get into this business. So you can promote to anybody in any part of the world as long as they have a Bitcoin wallet, right? So as long as they have Bitcoin, right? And look, almost every country in the world have access to Bitcoin. So this is awesome. So the first step is for you to get a Bitcoin wallet, all right? And then the second step is to apply to become a GoE1ULife affiliate. Now, it costs a little amount of money, right? It costs a one-time fee of $25. That's all. And your account is all set up and you are ready to go. So the only thing you now do is to continue to recommend the company to as many people on different social media platforms. It's so easy, right? Now, by you doing that, you will now have the opportunity to earn unlimited amount of Bitcoin, guys. Look. It's so amazing. And look, like I tell you, there is no monthly fees. It's a worldwide global opportunity. And look, they operate what is called a matrix, right? It's a 2x2 cycling matrix. So you just getting your account set up and you are there recommending the company's product always, you will continue to earn Bitcoin almost for life, guys, because once a cycle completes and you make commissions, you move you to another cycle for life. And that is why so many people are in this, and many people are making thousands of dollars just recommending this company's product. So look, let's not waste your time, right? If you have been thinking that, hey, I need to start recommending companies with high quality products that will also pay you with Bitcoin, then this is the best. Now, if you want to get started, all you need to do, there is a link in my profile, okay? Go ahead, click that link, fill up all the details, add your Bitcoin wallet address, pay that your $25 setup fee, and you are all ready to go, right? So go ahead right now, do that. Straight to my profile, click that link, get started right away.